Welcome all. Today we are going to discuss about an application which is used for screen recording in Android operating system. So this particular software can be used to screen record your mobile devices. So I have just mirrored my mobile device into my computer screen. So you are watching a replica of my mobile device screen on my computer monitor. So we are going to open that particular program. The title of the program is AZ Screen Recorder. It's a free application which can be downloaded from Play Store. So in the basic layout we can see three kind of tabs. The first one shows the recordings in your device. The second one shows screenshots in your device, and the third one deals with the configuration and control settings. So we will go into details of the configuration settings. In the first option, you can adjust the resolution of the output. So according to your purpose, you can choose different kinds of resolution from this particular option. The second one stands for bitrate. This also accounts to the quality of your output. If you want to get a better quality, go for a higher bitrate. The third one stands for frame rate. So if you want a normal video, you can go somewhere between 25 and 30 frames per second. 24 frames per second is the universal frames per second rate for movies, and if you want to stick to the normal settings, go somewhere between 25 and 30. Then you can also adjust the orientation of the screen. You got three options. You can either go for portrait or landscape, or go for a auto option. Then if you want a time-lapse effect to be added to the video, enable time-lapse option. Then comes the record audio function. If you want to record the audio part of a file, then you can enable the record audio option. You can choose two audio sources, either microphone or internal audio. If the purpose is to record your own voice, choose microphone. If you want to record a file or a web stream or a webinar, then you can choose internal audio to record the audio which is played back in your device. The output directory stands for the location of the output. Then there is a fix green screen option. If you got any problem with your output, in the sense if you have a green tint or green lines occurring in your output, then you can rectify that issue using fix green screen feature. Then you can go for hide the recording window. Then comes the use magic button. Magic button is a very handy option. If you enable this magic button, then you can control the application using just tapping on your screen. If you enable this particular magic button option, then go to your home screen, then a small dotted line will appear on your home screen. If you single tap on the top right area of the screen, then you can pause or resume the recording, or if you want to stop the recording, just give a double tap. And you can also draw using this particular application. So if you give a long touch to that particular area, then the drawing mode will be enabled. Then the stop options notification and the pop-up can be adjusted using the next two options. Then you can give a countdown before start. You can set the countdown value in terms of seconds. Then the recording toolbox is there. You can opt for a screenshot, you can enable your camera, and you can use the brush settings. You can also place a logo from the next option. And since this is a free application, there will be advertisements shown in between. If you want to remove the advertisements, then you need to make a payment. So if you enable the remove ads option right here, you need to make a payment and you can remove all the advertisements. So coming back to my home screen, after installing this particular application, you will get a small shortcut on your screen. When you tap on that particular shortcut, then the different options will appear up here. You can see a particular video camera icon. It's used for starting a recording. The second one will lead to the different tabs and the settings which we discussed earlier. And again, the third one stands for the recording toolbox. You can enable the screenshot or the camera or the brush from this portion. So let's check that. Just enable the brush, then you will get the brush option. You can change the color from here, and you can also undo the steps. If you want to disable the drawing mode, close that, come back to the shortcut, just disable the brush option. Then again, there is a fourth option called live. You can go for a live stream from this application. When you click that, you can see you can either choose Facebook or YouTube for a live platform. So you need to give permissions to enter into your account from this application. So you can either choose Facebook or YouTube. So these are all the basic features of AZ screen recorder software which is used in mobile devices. It works in Android platforms. So once again, going to the main menu, you can see the three different tabs. The first one shows the video recordings, the second one shows screenshots, the third one shows the basic settings which we discussed earlier. So this program can be used to record your mobile screen. So you can also record a live webinar or record your own voice or record the entire mobile screen according to your purpose. You can manipulate all the video and audio settings also here. So this is a very useful application which can be used in Android platforms. Thank you for watching.